Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use this gift basket in Grow a Garden game of Roblox in the Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the items from the Christmas shop. If you want to get this item, you need to go to the Christmas shop and then you can buy the gift basket right here. Okay, and this is the ability of this gift basket. Basically, it can feed your pet or restore your pet's hunger. And I'm going to apply it to my pet, guys. I'm going to click anywhere and let's see what happened. Okay, and it can restore all active pets' hunger. And yeah, if you want to use it, just click anywhere. You can hold it on your hands and then you just need to click anywhere and it can restore all pets hunger by 5%. Okay guys, and that's all about the gift basket and Grow a Garden game of Roblox in the Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.